Sefus ang nakasalang on stage. Umaasa pero kabado. Nakaranas na sila ng ilang beses na pagkalos, but tonight might be the most painful cut yet.
Lahat sila dumaan na sa mga dikdikang tests this week alone. Idagdag dyan ang ilang level ng callback at auditions para makarating sa kinatatayuan nila ngayon.
Abot kamay na ang pinapangarap na Final 14 Survivor spots behind us. Sadly, kalahati lang sa kanila ang makakaabot nun.
28 believers will be on the stage later, but only 14 will ultimately survive tonight. Who will they be? Sabay-sabay nating malalaman ngayong gabi. This is Starstruck 5 Live!
Week after week, hindi lamang mga Starstruck tests ang pahirap ng pahirap. Sa pinakikitang talento at determinasyon ng top 28, pahirap na rin ang pahirap ang magkalos upang matira ang Starstruck Final 14.
Zero looks promising.
Ito yung mga mabibilis mag-pick up. So si Vanessa, si Naomi, si Sarah, si Zeril, at si Mitch.
Of course, unang-una, tumatak sa akin si Diva na ang ganda ng eksena with Rai.
Steven, I think, is one of those that I would pick in the 30%.
Si Khalid. Diba? Si Khalid, gwapo siya.
Nina was really naturally poised.
Malaking potential si Piero, si MJ, pero may mga ginagaya sila mga boses. Wala pa silang ay sariling identity.
MJ, can I hold back on that?
Si Fianca, pinagmamasdan ko siya kanina and she has a lot of potential.
Shane is very young.
Medyo ilang beses kung tinawag si Kenzo, medyo positive kasi yung aura.
Si Seth was also good.
Seth on the danger side.
Seth, si Adam, and then si Khalid. Ito, magaganda ang mga boses.
Si Ian is trying very hard to impress me with his Tagalog. Kaya lang talagang...
Si Steven, si Rolo, si Shane, si Edward, at si Rai, si Enzo.
At para sa ating top 28, iba-iba man na sukat ang pinagdaraanan.
Siyempre, even vegetables, when you buy, you like them fresh, right? And these are people, so you like them fresher.
So, medyo high yung level of musical intelligence.
One thing, they have to want it. Isa yon. I mean, if you want it, you will wake up early in the morning, you will stay up late and still look good if you want it.
At ngayong gabi, ano man ang kalabasan, ang mga pangarap ninyo, wag na wag bitawan.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
Cigarette smoky room,
Smell wine and cheap perfume.
For a smile they can share tonight.
It goes on and on and on and on.
strangers waiting up and down the boulevard.
Shadows searching in the night.
Street light people living just to find emotion.
Hiding somewhere
just one more time.
Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues.
And now the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on.
Strangers waiting up until the boulevard.
Their shadows searching in the night.
Street lights, people living just a bright emotion.
Hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street light people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street light people. Don't stop.
From high energy to high drama, sino ang mga unang set ng Top 28 na papasok bilang Final 14? Malalaman na natin because the first cut will happen next sa pagbabalik ng Starstruck Live!